Drowning in payroll paperwork? Let's see if Gusto can throw you a lifeline. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an updated review of Gusto payroll services to see if it lives up to the hype as a user-friendly solution for your business first. Let's talk features. Gusto handles everything from automated payroll runs and tax filings to managing employee benefits like health insurance and 401 kiloseconds. Notice how clean and intuitive the interface is. You can easily add employees, set pay schedules, and customize deductions. Now, pricing. Gusto offers different plans tailored to varying business needs. The simple plan covers basic payroll, while the Plus and Premium plans unlock more advanced features like time tracking, project management, and compliance support. Make sure to carefully compare the tiers to find the best fit for your budget and requirements. A major selling point of Gusto is its seamless integration with popular accounting and time tracking software. This streamlines your workflow and eliminates the need for manual data entry. Integrations with QuickBooks, Xero, and other platforms are key for efficient business management. User experience is where Gusto really shines. The platform is designed to be incredibly easy to use. Even for those with limited payroll experience, its intuitive interface and helpful customer support make managing payroll a breeze. So, is Gusto right for you? If you're a small to medium-sized business looking for a user-friendly, integrated payroll solution, Gusto is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to weigh the features and pricing against your specific needs. That's it for our updated review of Gusto. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business software reviews.